have returned, my son. A soothsayer has informed me that your father is alive and here on the island.
I await our reunion.
I marvel that they leave this hound to lie here on the dung pile. He would have been a fine dog from the look of him, though I can't say as to his power and speed when he was young. You find the same good build in house dogs. Table dogs landowners keep all for style.
A hunter owned him, but the man is dead in some far place. If this old hound could show the form he had when Lord Odysseus left him, you'd see him swift and strong. He never shrank from any savage thing he brought to bay in the deep woods. On the scent, no other dog kept up with him. Now misery has him in leash. His owner died abroad, and here the women slaves will take no care of him. You know how servants are. Without a master, they have no will to labor or excel. For Zeus, who views the wide world, takes away half the manhood of a man. That day he goes into captivity and slavery.
For death and darkness in that instant closed the eyes of Argos, who had seen his master after 20 years. This beggar is not worthy of a palace such as this.
Your stench sickens us all.
Perhaps your lack of education has led you into the wrong territory. You are trespassers of the King Odysseus' land.
And you know him personally?
I do. I have news more recent of him than any other.
What do you know about Odysseus? Telemachus! How could you allow our guest to be treated this way? I should have you disowned for standing the cruel treatment of this nice man who brings promise of news of your father and my beloved husband.
It's been a long time. I wonder if Penelope has changed.
The suitors have danced around your vacancy for years. Who knows if she will even receive a beggar as a guest?
If she hasn't changed, she will follow Xenia and receive my current state.
Please, come sit. So, what's your story?
I am a wanderer, and I met the king on my travels. He was a brilliant man with outstanding strength.
Please, allow me to fetch my servant. Perhaps I will test those suitors.
You worry of the revenge that will follow the retrieval of your throne. I assure you, the suitors will die.